Wow, this lighting is making me look super pale. Whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Our friends came over to stay with us for the weekend, which was so much fun. I didn't vlog a lot, but I'll show you guys the little bit that I did vlog with them. We gotta do it like in front of the light. Go that way. Over here. Oh,
this is my side. Yeah,
well, that's my side too.
I got the full beard though. Come on.
Oh my god, yo, I never give anyone that side. We're gonna have to do it like this.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna walk into it though.
Okay.
It's recording?
Yes.
Oh shit. 3, 2, 1. Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí.
Are we gonna say it together?
Yeah. Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí estamos con Super Glam News, Melissa.
No.
Oh.
I'm not Super Glam News anymore.
What are you? Shit.
Just Melissa Flores.
What the hell? When did you change?
Babe, years ago.
Months ago.
No, actually years ago. Like a year ago.
No,
probably.
but I dropped it from my website months ago.
Shit, my
Yeah.
bad.
Now we're just Melissa Flores.
Okay, cut.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí estamos con el vlog. Vamos a tener un bien espectacular día. No, man. El
bien espectacular.
El vlog va a estar.
El vlog va a estar bien espectacular.
Este vlog es bien.
Este vlog.
Esta vaina aquí es bien
You know
espectacular.
what? Let's not be proper. Let's be Dominican.
Mira, esta vaina, vamos. El pipo. El pipo, este vlog va a estar bien espectacular.
I'm hot. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
I'm not gonna put a jacket on because I'm hot.
Are we bringing this?
No, we're gonna play that when we come home.
Official.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go. Come on, baby.
Alright, well. Yo, can you wear this, Chris?
Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
That's Mel's favorite. Can you wear the hat again?
Guys, we're playing the game What Do You Meme? I'm the judge right now, so I'm gonna pick the funniest card. Okay, this is the meme. And these other people. Alright. When you're not sure whether to shut the fuck up or go straight savage mode on a motherfucker.
That's really good. That's
Who
really
is
good.
this? Who is this?
Oh.
When you look in the mirror and think,
Let me see.
I knew you were gonna like that one.
this is me.
I know I was gonna say that.
Let me see.
Wait, I didn't even finish reading it.
How you say it's you? You don't even know what it says, girl.
Because this is her. She does this. I swear to God. Melissa does this.
Oh my god, Melissa.
Who does this?
Because this is the whole mood. Okay. When you look in the mirror and think, fuck you.
Damn, man. Damn, you be fucking yourself up, dude.
Does,
Wait,
I
this
know.
was you, babe?
Yeah, I
oh
put
my
that
god,
down.
that's so funny. Alright, when the douchebag jock from high school serves you your McFlurry. That was funny too, but I gotta go with the when you look in the mirror and think, fuck you.
Yeah, dude, this is
Oh my
funny
God.
as fuck.
Whatever, man. You just picked
That
him
was-
because that's your man.
No,
Nah,
that
nah,
was
that's
really
funny,
Guys, this is the next meme. They literally just left right now. I'm uploading a vlog as we speak. And here we are, Sunday. I don't think we're gonna do anything. I'm kind of tired actually. We stayed up so late last night. I finished my book on Audible and I have to find something else to listen to. I'm always either listening to Audible or podcast, but lately it's been Audible hardcore. I'm on my way to Starbucks right now because I'm obsessed with the pink drink. OMG. There was one day I got it twice in one day. I had problems. Who else had the house like this? No. This will be my thumbnail. Hashtag I'm addicted.
Why is it ice like that?
What do you mean, why is it ice? It's an ice drink.
Oh, wow.
Good or not?
Yeah, it tastes like Nesquik.
It doesn't taste like Nesquik. Okay, I could see how it tastes like Nesquik. We are back in the car, guys. I need to go fix this nail. My nail broke like right in the middle, and anything I tried to do hurts. Like, it's crazy when you break a nail how much you realize you need your nails to be intact because you can't function. I can't type, I can't get dressed, I can't do my hair, nothing. Like, everything keeps like breaking it even more. All right, guys. I wasn't gonna get ready today, but I just received a new set of Luxury for Princess hair extensions and I want to try them. What?
Who are you talking to?
I'm vlogging. Oh my god, these are like blonde. You guys, I love this color. Look at how pretty that is. Yeah, my hair is definitely more red at the moment, but my hair appointment is in like 2 days. So I'm gonna go more towards this color and get rid of that redness a little more. Right now I have too many colors happening. I did the most for my workout today. I don't even know who I am right now. If you haven't been watching my vlogs, I started doing Pure Barre. Pure Barre, it's kind of like a ballet kind of workout. It's a workout that focuses on your arms, your core, and your butt. Like, if you want a nice butt, if you want to lift your booty, this is a perfect class to take, because literally the whole class is pretty much toning and strengthening your muscles and getting everything really tight. I really miss something more intense. I really miss something more cardio, especially because I actually want to slim down. So I need to do cardio to slim down, but then I like Pure Barre because it keeps everything toned. I've been driving myself crazy trying to figure out like what other workout can I do, because I really wanted to find another class that I could join, but I have a small gym in where I live. I didn't want to sign up for another class and pay when I already have access to a gym here. So I did my Pure Barre workout and I still felt like I needed to burn more energy. Like it's a really great class and it is very, very difficult, but I feel like I needed something else. So I was like, you know what, when I get home, I'm gonna just go straight to the gym and I'm gonna do my sprint workout. There's this sprint workout that I used to love doing. It's really difficult and it's a really quick, like 15-20 minute workout depending on how long you like draw it out. So I go to the gym, and when I walk in, there is 2 Peloton machines, and it's so funny because I was looking up to see if there was a Soul Cycle by me or some kind of cycling studio, because I used to do cycling. There was one summer where I did cycling as my workout and I really enjoyed it. That's really hard as well. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll do Pure Barre and then I'll do a cycling class somewhere else. But there wasn't anything really close by, and everything is really expensive. So when I walked in, and before that I was like, damn, I wish I could just buy a Peloton bike and keep it in the apartment because we have space for it, but again, it's very expensive. Actually, I don't even know how much it is. I'm assuming it's expensive because it's like a really cool bike. It's basically a cycling bike that stays in place, and then there's a huge screen in front of you and you can follow live classes or you can follow classes that are already recorded. I walk in and they have 2 Peloton bikes. Like, this is something brand new that they added to the gym, and I wish I would have known about it sooner, but whatever. I ended up doing my sprint workout and I was like, oh, I'll try the Peloton bike tomorrow. But then I was so excited that I ended up doing the Peloton bike workout as well. So I am all worked out. I did a 15-minute Pure Barre class. I did a 15-minute sprint workout, and then I did a 20-minute cycling workout on the Peloton because I did like a quick 20-minute beginner class. And I am wiped out. I'm using a new self tanner. I gotta show you guys when I get home. This drink is ginormous. Like, what the heck? There's gonna be that one person in the comments that's like, oh my god, you literally worked out like all that, and then you're just gonna put it right back in with that drink. And yes, you're right. I don't eat like junk, so I don't feel bad that I'm getting the drink because like my lunch and dinners are always really healthy. Like I've been, oh, I look so disgusting. I look like the Grinch. I'm green because I did my self tanner. This is the new self tanner that I've been trying out. It's by Bondi Sands, an Australian brand. This is what it looks like right here. When I started doing self tanners, my favorite thing to do was do the self tanner the night before bed, and then I would wake up and shower, because it would take 6 to 8 hours for the tan to develop. But I've become so lazy. I hate waiting that long, and I like self tanners that are like a 1 hour, 2 hour self tanners. The one I was using before this is the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express, which I love because it really works in 2 hours. And then I saw this one that is a 1 hour express, and the first time I tried it, I left it on for an hour because I only had an hour actually, and I just didn't feel like it did much. So then the last time I did it, last week, I left it on for 3 hours. And when I first rinsed it off, I was like, what the heck? Like, I'm still not that dark. But as the day went on, I could see that I did get a little more color, but it's more of a natural color, which is really nice. And it started to grow on to me. Today, I'm going to leave it on for like 3 to 4 hours again. because I want to get the darkest color possible. I wanted to love it so much, and I feel like I don't love it, but it actually is good. I think what I don't like about it is that I want it to be darker, and when I first put it on, it just looks like you're gonna look a hot mess. Like, look at me. I look like blotchy green, so you don't think you're gonna get a good color, but actually I get the most even tan with this self tanner. It's so crazy because even my hands, like, I don't know, they just look like they're not gonna turn out right, and every time I rinse it off I look like evenly tan, which is so crazy to me. And whenever the tan is fading, it fades completely even. Like, I don't have like certain areas where I'm like weird, like a weird color. It just fades completely even, which I do like. The foam is a thick foam, so it doesn't like run anywhere and get all over the place. It's like thick and it stays in place wherever you apply it. It dries very quickly, which I also really like because I hate when I feel wet after I apply my self tanner and like I have to wait to like really dry. It dries very quickly and it has a nice coconut scent. It doesn't stink. We take a moment to look at Maxie's Halloween shirt. How cute is baby? Do you like your Halloween shirt? You look so good in orange. And then I bought him this little Halloween toy that he's already oh my, did you already rip a part of her hat? Like, he literally just got this like 10 minutes ago. But anyways, he loves new toys. He knows when it's a new toy and he just focuses on the new one. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair redone. I'm gonna tell her that I want to go lighter or just get rid of some of the redness, because for sure some parts want to be blonde and some parts are kind of reddish. And when I got the Luxury for Princess hair extensions yesterday, they were a lot more blonde and I really like how that looked. So I want to go more towards that color, like more on the blonde side, like more on the caramel blonde side, less on the red. And I want her to bring the color up higher. Sorry that the remainder of this vlog you're probably gonna see me like this, but that's my situation right now. Do you see how green I am? Ew. I'm gonna have a meal replacement for lunch. So I'm basically gonna make like a protein smoothie, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've been adding to my smoothies because I changed it up a little bit. I was using the same protein powder for a long time. It was my favorite. I'm very picky when it comes to protein powders, and I found a different one that tastes even better. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I have a Ninja blender. It comes with all of these convenient things. This right here is my new favorite vegan milk. It's by Oatly, and this is the low-fat one. So we're gonna do 8 ounces of this. For protein powder, I'm using the Vega one shake, and I get the vanilla one. I tried getting a chocolate flavored one, and it just doesn't work for me. I like more of a vanilla flavor base. I'm also going to be adding 1 scoop of Justin's peanut butter. I love this stuff. And now I'm going to add frozen strawberries. I usually do a mix of strawberries and half a banana, but I have no banana, so we're going to add like extra strawberries and make this a strawberry smoothie. I'm also going to add a little bit of water. This is lunch. I'm gonna drink it right out of here because I don't want to dirty anything. I ordered these metal straws from Amazon. I don't really like it though because it's just too thin. Like if I'm drinking something liquid like water or juice, it's fine, but something a little thicker like a smoothie, I feel like I need a thicker straw. But whatever, it'll do for now. Hi. He swears he's a little security dog. I've been trying to switch over to organic tampons. I found these at Target. They're by the brand called Cora. But let me know if you guys recommend these or if you recommend any other brands that have organic tampons, because I would love to switch over and use just organic tampons if possible, or just whatever is safer. So yeah, let me know in the comments if these are any good or if you recommend any other ones. Oh, there he goes again. Good morning. As you can see, I did the self tanner last night, and first of all, my camera always washes me out, so I'm a little darker in person than I am on camera. But as you can see, like I did the self tanner last night, well yesterday, and I don't look like I did a self tanner. I feel like my hands look a little bit darker than my face, but that's my thing with the Bondi self tanner. I wish it was darker just because it's gonna start fading, and it's like, I don't know if I like it yet. Like I love the color on my arms, but I wish my face was also darker. Maybe we'll self tan our face again. I don't know. I don't have time for that right now. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys from right there. Hopefully you can see me while I pour my coffee. I have my hair appointment today, which you will see in the next vlog. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.